Okay, here we go, guys. The inaugural cruise of the bike cam. Can't really see what's going on, so... well, if it's not with the ship, maybe somebody will edit it out when they pirate it and recycle it and make it their own. Okay, our first malfunction. And our second malfunction. Okay, well, you know, that's prototyping for you, huh? Alright. We're just going to hold it. We'll work on a aimable bracket next time. This puppy's even got suspension. Turbo boost! Actually, I guess I should put it on far away, because on zoom it really makes it jumpy. Gotta see when it goes up to like 800 zoom. Well, it won't do that if it's moving, or if there's much change of anything. The trick it does in the computer. It reconfabulates the digital and the optical, which is a physical move the lens kind of zoom. And then I assume it just ignores the border edges or the pixel. Kind of like a picture in picture. Yeah, that's probably exactly what it is, driven from that same software. Okay, I'm holding the camera steady, but well, it's been a while since I biked. Although I did bike all the way into work there my last day, something like that, yeah. Which wasn't actually a day, I just kind of showed up and charged in an hour or two. Last day working at somebody else's shop as an auto mechanic. I know, I've said this before. And every time I run out of money, spend it all working for myself. And then have to go back to work so I can find a way to work for myself again. There's always, yeah, I don't really work for money anymore. My work is projects that are a lot more important than cheating and gaining what's already sealed up and can't be done honestly. All the people suffering from whyitis that have a 99.95% neurological impairment or thinking impairment of some kind. I don't know. I guess after a while it atrophies and becomes neurological. At least the pathways do. I'll just snip this off. It keeps on causing me trouble. Oh, yeah. Keep tripping over my own feet. I'll just whack my toe off. Fuck, I keep slamming my cock in the toilet lid. Off it comes too. Radio, what's it say? Crystal radio experiment. How you sending your signal? Today, tomorrow, and the next day. Oh, here.